Last year in the month of November, we saw a phone with the codename TA1234. It was believed to be Nokia 5.2, but as per new reports, it will actually be called Nokia 5.3. This phone, Nokia 5.3, is codenamed Captain America as found in Geekbench listing. It's due to the shield-like camera housing. The design remains almost the same as some of the recently launched Nokia phones, although the back of the phone has gone through some changes. Like now, the flash is housed inside the camera module. The report states it will house a 6.55-inch 18:9 display, which from the leaked image we know will have a water drop notch. And it gets physical fingerprint scanner on the back. The report also states that Nokia 5.3 will carry dual SIM support. It will be powered either by a Snapdragon 660 or 665 SoC, and the lowest variant will come with 3GB RAM plus 64GB internal storage. It may go up to 6GB RAM plus 64GB of internal storage. Guys, what do you think? Which processor will they use? 660 or 665? Do let me know in the comments below. Also guys, which processor do you think will be the best fit for this phone other than 660 or 665? Like, there are new MediaTek processors which are cheap and best, and the latest Snapdragon processor in 7 series are some of the best mid-range processors. In terms of imaging, the Nokia 5.3 will feature an 8-megapixel selfie shooter along with a quad camera setup on the back. It comprises of one 16-megapixel main lens, one 5-megapixel and two 8-megapixel modules. We will know more about the type of sensors used in the future video. It is likely to run on Android 10 OS out of the box, but there doesn't seem to be any Android 1 branding on the back of the phone, meaning the phone is not guaranteed to receive at least 2 years of OS upgrades. Hopefully I am wrong and we do get to see this phone as a part of Android 1. The Nokia 5.3 will pack 4000 mAh cell, although as of now we have no information on fast charging. Finally, coming to the price, as per Ivan Blas, it will cost around $180, which could translate to 169 euros in Europe and rupees 13,000 in India. There is no word from HMD about Nokia 5.3, but the company is holding an event on March 19th to unveil its first 5G smartphone, and we might get to see Nokia 5.3 also go official that day. So that's it for today guys, see you in the next one, peace out.